Hello and welcome back to another Art Fabula video, and today I'm going to make an unboxing of a very special toy from my friend James from Wonder Goblin. I want to support as many artists as I can. It's very difficult for me to have a business and to support also other artists, but I think it's very important. I think they need all the support they can get, and I will always try to support them. So that's why I got this one from him, because I think he makes incredible toys. I have another one there you can watch it in another video, but right now I have the latest toy release from Wonder Goblin here inside this box. So let me open it for you. Let's open this. Yeah, you have special note. Thank you, James. Thank you, James. And let's see what I have here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. James. Too much. Yeah, here we have the first Goblidon version. Let me see if there. Oh my gosh. So here we have the Goblidon version. Let me open it. This is the Goblidon header here. So made in Hong Kong, Wonder Goblin, Goblidon, and in Japanese here. And this header is made by Tracy Lindenthal. So I really love this design of the Goblidon, and I really like this design. So let's open the toy and see what we have here. Oh, I already see funny things here. Thank you, James, for the candy. Thank you very much. And let's see this incredible toy. Wow. I like it very much. This first color of the Goblidon, Wonder Goblin. Oh, well, I really loved it. I think this is some kind of similar style to my toys. Not in the way that they are similar, completely similar, but the style, this mix of cuteness and sorry, James, ugliness. But ugliness, you know, you understand what I mean. Is something that I really like. It's a monster, but it's a cute monster. So this is, well, my style also. So let's see what we have here. I like this beautiful pink, metallic pink here in the hair, and the also a little bit of metallics in the wings. I think so. I'm not sure about that. I can see with this light. No, there is no metallic in the wings. Just the pink one here, and maybe here in the back. But I can see with the light that I have here. And then, if you see there, then you have the Wonder Goblin logo, and well, it's a very simple but a very effective design, a very beautiful design. I wish I have done something like that. I love the wings and they moves, and the head also moves. So this is a very beautiful toy. James, very good job with this one. I will put it with my other one. I will take a few pictures and put it online because I really love this toy. The art is also very good and wonderful art. I really like it. So this is another toy for my collection, and I love to have it. So, well, thank you for this short unboxing. I hope you like it, and see you soon. Bye.